everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a comparison on two of my favorite bags, and I'm going to show you what fits into one bag and then into another. These two bags here, my Pochette Metis and my Valentino bags, are just, oh my goodness, they are stunning to me and I love them. I think this one's a really classy bag and it can look so dressy, and I love the Rockstud on this bag. I think Valentino definitely hit a home run when they made this bag. And Louis Vuitton did an amazing job with this Pochette Metis. Mine does not have any type of glazing issues yet, but it's so weird how I'm always looking out for it because it had so much glazing issues. But I'm going to show you what the comparison on these two bags are, meaning what fits in there. Now, as you can see here, the Pochette Metis looks a lot bigger. The Pochette Metis has a zipper pocket in the back, which I usually put my cell phone in there. They both have a handle, so the comparison on these two bags are just perfect, where they both have a flap on top and it's open from the front just like that. Now this one has 3 compartments, so that is a little different from my Valentino, and I love these compartments, you guys. This bag is just amazing. And this one also opens up from the front and has a flap just like my Pochette Metis, except this bag does not have compartments like that, but it does have pockets. And I think that red here is just stunning on my my beautiful Rockstud. The color on this is just so versatile. It just goes with everything, you guys. Now, the difference between these two bags is that the Valentino one, the long strap comes, it's a chain, and the chain is just stunning. It is so beautiful. It makes the bag look so classy, and I don't have any problems with it digging into me, only because of the fact that I don't like to fill up my bag. But I am going to fill it up today just so you can see what fits in this gorgeous piece here. But before I show you what fits in this gorgeous piece, let me show you what it looks like on. So here is my Valentino, you guys. And it looks like this crossbody. It is stunning, isn't it? And then here is my Pochette Metis. I do have it on the shortest length, which I do like. I love how high it comes up. I think this bag is so pretty and feminine, and you can see the difference here. Now, I do sometimes wear it like this, and sometimes I grab it and carry it like this. Now this one here, I love the chain. I love how I can wear it crossbody, and I wear it like this often, which I love, and sometimes I'll grab it and carry it like this as well. But these two bags are so similar in the way I carry it. So these bags are so similar in the way I carry it, so that's why I decided to do a comparison on this bag. But let me go ahead and show you what actually fits into this bag and this bag. Let's see if the same amount fits, because I feel like the compartments in this bag might take away from how much can fit in there, even though this bag is bigger. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see. Okay. So I am going to try to fit all these things into my Pochette Metis. So let me show you. So here is my Pochette Metis, and I am going to put my Louis Vuitton notebook inside my bag. That seems to fit good, as you can see. I'm going to fit my PM agenda. Let's put it in the front. No, let's put it in the back. My Gucci card holder. My gum. My business card holder. My phone, which sometimes I put in the back pocket, but I'm going to put it in here because I want to share the share what can fit in here and then right into my Valentino. My key clay, my glasses, which I'll put here, my Too Faced lipstick, and then I'm going to put in my Jo Malone Peony Blush Suede perfume. You guys, this is an amazing perfume. If you haven't smelt this already, you need to go to the mall and smell it. It is amazing. So that I'm going to stick in my bag here. I don't know why I have all these lipsticks. I'm not going to put all these lipsticks in there. And then my key clay. You know, these key clays need to be a lot smaller. This is huge. So I'm going to stick that in there, and I'm going to show you if it can close. Okay, it closes with no problem. I can see that, oh no, it's not closed, sorry, there. Now it's closed, and with no problem at all. There's no bulging anywhere. Everything looks great, as you can see. Look at that. Okay, now I'm going to put everything that's in this bag into my Valentino, and let's see how that works. Okay, so let's take everything out of here and into my Valentino. So first of all, it's my Louis Vuitton notebook, which I love, you guys. This is the limited edition, the Kabuki, I think it's what it's called. Love this notebook. Okay, my PM agenda, which I carry everywhere I go. If I have a super mini bag, then I'll just bring it with me in the car, or just have it around, or carry it handheld, like if I go to the office. Or I carry my office bag with my laptop, and I'll throw that in there, and my super mini. Okay, so that fits in there. I've got my phone. Let's see, I got my phone. I got my key clay. I've got my car keys right here. I've got my business card holder, my Too Faced lipstick, my glasses, my Gucci card holder there, my gum. Oh, let me get my key out. My perfume. Okay, now let me put my key back in there, and there we go. Let's see if it closes. Oh my goodness. Okay, everything that was in my Pochette Metis fit into my Valentino bag. Now, I'll tell you one thing, it is a little tight. I would never carry that amount in my Valentino. I just wanted to show you how much this bag can carry and how much everything in here can go in here. So yes, look, it fits, everything fits in there perfectly. It looks amazing. So I know if I need to carry things, I know it can fit. Now I probably would take this out because I wouldn't carry that normally. I probably would not carry my perfume in there because of the fact that I can carry a smaller piece. So this is what I would normally carry, you guys. I would take everything else out and just leave that. And I might not even carry this in there. And just kind of carry it with me in my car if I needed. But this looks so cute, you guys. And I am loving my two bags. I want to thank you guys for watching. I am so excited about my two bags, you guys. Everything that this bag carries, my Valentino carries the same amount. As you can see, the difference in size, but the inside is different, so I think that's why it fit in here, because this one has compartments and this one doesn't. But I love these two bags almost equally. I think I like this one a little bit more because it's a little bit more carefree than this one, because of the fact that it has the Rockstuds, and I somewhat worry about them once in a while. I don't know if anyone knows, but what happens if a Rockstud falls off? Do I send it back to Valentino, or how do they fix it? Please let me know in the comment box, because I'm really not sure how they take care of that, only because I worry about it. But I still enjoy this bag, and I do carry it, and I love it. So you guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Leave comments below, and have a wonderful day. And God